Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to show Google Ads on desktop devices or on mobile. This is particularly useful when you want to control which devices display your ads, helping you optimize your ad spend and target the right audience on the platforms that matter most for your business. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your campaigns. Locate and click on the Campaigns option. This section is where all your advertising activities are organized and managed. Once you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand, revealing additional options from this expanded menu. Look for the Campaigns drop-down and click on it. You'll notice a list of choices appear, and from this drop-down selection, click on Campaigns again. This will take you to the main Campaigns view where you can see all your active and paused campaigns. Now, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the campaigns currently running under your Google Ads account. To exclude a specific device from a certain campaign, you need to access the campaign settings. Hover your cursor over the campaign you want to modify and you'll notice a gear icon appears next to it. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This is your gateway to the campaign's settings menu, where you can fine-tune various aspects of your campaign. From the campaign settings menu, scroll down until you locate the additional settings section. Click on it to expand this menu. Once expanded, you'll see several options available. From here, click on Devices. This is where you'll control which devices your ads will appear on, giving you precise targeting capabilities. Now, to set your ads campaign to only show on desktop and mobile devices, click on the option that says Set Specific Targeting for Devices. This action will reveal 4 primary device categories that you can choose from. You'll see options for computers, mobile phones, tablets, and TV screens. Since you want your ads to appear only on desktop and mobile, simply uncheck the boxes next to tablets and TV screens. This ensures your ads won't be displayed on those devices. Once you've made your selections, click on Save to apply these changes. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Google Ads campaign to show only on desktop and mobile devices, giving you better control over where your advertising budget is spent. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.